Good afternoon, MyBlindCo users. This is for all of you installers out there using MyBlindCo on an iPad. Great thing about that is everything is in one spot. You start your day, you look at your calendar, and you can see like the first one's with Chris. You click on the details, it tells you exactly what you're doing, install 5 blinds. Anytime you see a circle with an arrow here, that's actually a map. Click on that, it'll map to your customer's house from your current location. So it's got a built-in map. And then when the office manager or admin person schedules appointments and uses appointment type installation, you can actually tie that install to an order. And guess what? All that order information can be found in the install tab. So all of this, and this will just show your installs that you have scheduled for that day. You click on it, and it's a nice simplified view of the order. It doesn't have the dollar amounts and so forth, but you can see clearly what you're installing, your appointment time, and also shows balance due. And then when you're done with the install, you can swing right up here to receive payment. Most of the time, if you're all using MyBlindCo Pay, when it comes time to do the install, there's already a credit card stored in this page here. So all you have to do is look up at the top of the screen for your balance due and then put that information in right here, 2306.07, and hit receive payment. This button here will process the credit card and also send them with this toggle button on. It's going to send your customer the payment confirmation. In addition to receiving final payments from the install tab, you can also create a repair ticket if you need. So up here, you see create repair, and this allows you to, let's say one of the shades came in damaged due to shipping. You can set up either RGA or remake. Remake would be maybe the wrong color was ordered and you need to order it up again, versus an RGA is more of a manufacturer or shipping issue. You need a replacement due to damage on shipping. And guess what, guys? If you click on this white bar and then also the microphone, you can talk right into the mic. You don't have to key in anything. Shade came in damaged due to shipping. Put all the notes that you need right there. And then hit create. All right, now we have a new repair ticket right at the top of the list here. And then the office can manage these repair tickets much like a order. You can generate a PO, email it to the manufacturer. If it's Ulta, you can directly send it and manage the status of those repairs. All right, guys, that's it. I hope that helps. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.